Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video in my series in which I have been replicated some of my favorite spreads in my current journals, sometimes on my red journal, other times in my fragments journal. And today I'm gonna replicate this spread in which we create the background with some collage papers and some finger painting, and also drawing a flower over this background. So let's get started. So I will be using this printed ephemera that has this lace pattern printed. So I will glue down some of these here just to tie up. I will be working in this spread that has a full page and half of a page. So I will do like this. So now that I have all the pieces of paper gluing down, what I want or what I'm going to do is just to add some like fingerprints using acrylic paint all over the place. And I choose to work with like a yellowish brownish background. That is something that is not usual for me, but I will do that because I want to draw the flower using a red pen. So I think this combination will bring like a good contrast between the background and the flower drawing. So let's get started with some yellow. Let me move on to like a burnt sienna. It's a brownish color. And it's nice to make some marks with more paint than others, like just so like have some of the marks like just with the fingerprints. So now another shade of yellow. This is called like gold yellow, but this is not metallic paint. Now like this is burnt umber, and it is maybe too dark. Let's see. I have this one. This is Naples yellow. Yeah, it's kinda, I don't know, pinkish yellow. What else? Like this warm gray, like to soften a little bit these bright colors. Yeah, I think it will work great here. Can you see that I'm making marks over other marks, especially over using this warm gray to soften up the burned amber marks that I think they are very strong. So this is what I'm trying to do. So I have also found this one is lemon yellow, and I think it will also help to brighten up. Yeah, I think it was a great addition. So what I'm going to do now is just to use a heat gun to quickly dry the background so I can come back and start the drawing. Now that the background is dry, what I will do is to draw the flower, and I want to draw red magnolia, and I was thinking that maybe, yeah, I think that this red, you know, not sure if I can use this one or this one. Okay, it seems that this one is brighter, that the Signal Uniball is brighter than the Posca, so I will go with this one. Remember that I will try to replicate this flower, but I will position them in this direction. So let's see. So as you can see, the lines that are in the parts that I know I'm gonna be filling completely, I have not reinforced these ones, and now I will be adding some line work to fill all the petals. Okay, I have the petals filled. I will now reinforce these parts where the petals are like kind of folded. Well, it seems that the choice of this Signal gel pen instead of the Posca was quite not the better choice, because it's hard to feel completely these parts of the flower, but that's okay. I got the overall look that I wanted. So now I have to add like these little branches of leaves here with a golden pen. In fact, this is a bronze pen. So not sure it's no. I will not be using this one. Let me see if this is better. Yes, this is better. But it's it's thicker than what I want, and maybe I will be using a gel pen again if I manage to find it. Ooh, I have this one. This one is so beautiful. Let me try to find the right pen. Oh, that's here. And then, yeah, I will work with this one. Will add the center. And maybe here this one will be better. Definitely. Okay, we have the flower and the leaves, and our spread is done. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed the journal with me, recreating this spread from an old journal, and let me know in the comments if you prefer the bluish version or the yellowish version of this spread. See you in the next video. Bye.